trying to get rid of Internet Explorer, in this video I'm going to show you how to do so. So by default, Windows 10 has Internet Explorer enabled, and I believe the latest release is Internet Explorer 11. Some people, they don't like Internet Explorer at all because it's outdated. It doesn't really run applications like Chrome or Firefox. So to uninstall it, it's actually a feature built in that you need to remove, and the way you do that is by going to Control Panel. Then in Control Panel you want to go over to Programs and Features. Internet Explorer will not be on your regular programs here. What you need to do is you need to click on Turn Windows Features on or off. From here you're gonna see Internet Explorer 11. So what you want to do is you want to uncheck that, and it's gonna give you a warning that some programs and default settings may be affected, but that's fine. Just go ahead and click yes. And then you click OK, and it's going to perform the Windows features updates, and it's going to remove Internet Explorer from your computer. So the next requirement would be to restart your computer. And once you restart your computer, then Internet Explorer will be completely uninstalled. So it says that the change finished, and now it's requesting for me to restart. So once you restart and you log in again, Internet Explorer will no longer be there. Alright, so that's how you get rid of Internet Explorer 11. If you have any issues, any questions, leave your comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.